Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you best green tea for weight loss, Hollywood's favorite. You'll learn the processes that allow the body to convert food and drink into usable energy are collectively known as the metabolism. Green tea may be beneficial for weight loss by helping the body's metabolism to be more efficient. Green tea contains caffeine and a type of flavonoid called catechine, which is an antioxidant. So make sure you stay all the way to the end. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I come out with a new video just like this one. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Weight loss is a big deal to a good many people in the world, and that is not more evident than to the people in Hollywood. There is no secret that people in Hollywood worry about being thin, and some of them will go to extreme measures to make sure that they stay that way. Of course, there is always something new coming down the pike for this type of thing, and that is evident with the green tea weight loss theory. This has become one of the most popular weight loss solutions in Hollywood and the other parts of the world. This is due in part to the supposed medicinal properties that green tea holds and the many benefits of drinking it. There is a lot of research that supports this theory, but just like everything else, there is a lot that looks to shoot it down. Green tea weight loss depends on the person's desire to drink green tea. The research shows that green tea weight loss works by the lowering or maintaining of blood sugar during the meal times. This means that the body is not creating the products that create fat as readily as it normally would when the green tea is being ingested. Of course, this all means very little if you do not have a healthy diet to start with. You should take this to heart when trying this green tea weight loss plan, as it works only with the proper food intake, and that means a big lifestyle change for many of the people involved. Green tea weight loss is catching on all over the world, and mostly because of the popularity of the product itself. Many people are turning to green tea because it offers a much better and less bitter taste than its siblings. It is also said to be great for a whole host of ailments that come down, and that is all not quite proven as of yet. The green tea is said to help ease the stomach problems that a lot of people have, and that means that it is flying off the shelves everywhere you turn. Green tea weight loss depends on a good many things, and you should ask your doctor before undertaking such a plan. There are a good many reasons to drink this substance, but it is better to be safe than sorry. I hope you enjoyed the value within this video. If you did and you want to learn more about best teas for losing weight and boosting your metabolism, click the link below in the description and we'll talk to you soon. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.